So just jumping on here to do a short one today. I think I got creepers. Yeah, Jeepers creepers. And I am setting up more security cameras. Now, this one you might have seen for, I think it's been up here for the last 3 months. Before that, I had it inside. I actually used it for my dog so I could watch her and make sure she wasn't tearing stuff up. Echo, you know, she doesn't like to be alone. So she would actually eat up the carpet whenever I wasn't home. So I would be able to watch her, tell her no through the intercom. Pretty cool. So like always, y'all know how I roll. I want something, but I don't want to invest a bunch of money into it and find out that it's junk. So I buy one of something. I literally did that with window shades this last week. I bought one window shade knowing I needed 6 just to see if it would work. Well, I bought that one like 6 months ago and it's worked out really well. So I went ahead and got a couple more. And as you know, I'm extremely frugal. I created an entire YouTube channel to save a bunch of people money because I'm so cheap. And so whenever I bought this, I bought an indoor one because I thought it was going to be inside for the dog. But I've had it outside for the last 3 months. It's been through a bunch of storms and it still works really great. So I went ahead and bought the indoor ones to still put outside because they're only like 37 bucks. And I don't know if there really is a big difference between them and the outdoor ones. Maybe. I wouldn't know because this is good enough for me. Now, I am not sponsored by Reolink. They have absolutely no idea who I am. I bought that one. I bought these ones. But on my channel, every once in a while, I like to tell y'all about things that I've purchased and had good luck with in hopes that, you know, I can save y'all some time, money, and frustration. And the reason that I bought this in the beginning was because of how easy it is to install. Instead of being hardwired, it's plug and play. So comes with a power cord, plug it in. If you have your phone app, that's the easiest way to use it. That's how I do it. You got a little QR thing you can scan on the bottom. I'm not going to let you see mine, but then it plugs up to an app on your phone. Now, although I could just plug it in and set it somewhere on my porch, I want it up where somebody can't just come along and unplug it if they want to. So I'm getting it put all the way across up on my roof, and I found out I'm not tall enough to do it. So Ron's tempting fate with his brand new hip here. and getting it all lined out for me. So I guess I better quit talking and hold on to a ladder. Almost done, got it all tucked away. And everybody's been asking how Ron's doing with his brand new bionic hip. How you feeling, Ron?
I'm feeling very well, thank you.
Yeah, you feel like 20-year-old hip or?
No, it's still, you know, like at least 40-year-old hip, but
better than 54-year-old
better than broken hip.
Yeah. Would you recommend somebody at your age getting a hip replacement if they needed it?
Oh yeah.
It's better to have
a
good 6-7 years than be in pain every day of your life?
Yes.
Absolutely.
Yes, it is.
Mm-hmm. Now, Ron has been doing his physical therapy 3 times a week, and then also at home, he bought some things to help him do stretches and stuff like that. And if you could recommend anything, it is definitely do your therapy. Got the bracket installed now, so it'll just pop on and plug in. So that's it. Super easy lemon squeezy, and I feel a little bit better now being able to see exactly what's going on in my front yard. So guys, what's nice about my channel is I'm not paid by any sponsors, so I don't have to make BS videos telling you something's great when I have no idea if it really is or not. I do, on the other hand, like to buy things, use them for months, and tell you if they're good or not. And I gotta say, the Reolink camera has worked out pretty well. Like I said, I bought the indoor camera and installed it outside. It has been through many thunderstorms, and with it being under an awning, I think it's gonna work out just fine. It hasn't retained any water inside, and the picture is still great. It has night vision, and it also has motion detection, so it'll alert me if anything's creeping. If you want to check out a Reolink, I will leave a link in the description box below, and next I'm going to go install this thing in my chicken coop.